Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade A36, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so. This brings down your toggles, and then when we swipe down again, it will extend the list of visible toggles. Now, I already know that the power saving toggles are not added by default into this list right here, so we will need to do that ourselves by clicking right here on this pencil and swiping down. You can find them somewhere here. For me, there are two of them right over here. I'm going to add both of them, so we can hold it, then drag it over. So, and when you go back, you'll have access to it. Depending on where you dropped it, it might be on one of the pages. Now, as you can see, we do have two of them, at least the ones that I have added. And the reason I added both of them is because one might be useful for some people in certain situations, and it's also good that you know that this exists in case you ever need it. So let's start off with the normal power saving mode, which is this one, power saver. Now we can just tap on it to turn it on. It turns the battery color green right here, and does several other things in the background which aren't really mentioned when you turn it on. So refresh rate is dropped, dark mode usually is enabled, but apparently not here. And if we hold it, we might actually get a bit of extensive information about it. Okay, so we have reduced refresh rate and restricts apps from accessing network. I guess those are as far as we can take this. Now, in the settings, we also have options to set it up so it automatically turns on. And you can see we can set up percentage, though this option isn't enabled by default. I do want to point that out. And before you enable it with the toggle below, make sure you set the percentage, as when you enable it, you won't be able to change the percentage anymore. So once you select some kind of percentage that you want this mode to turn on at, so when your battery falls, in this case, below 38%, it will automatically turn on your power saver. Now, subsequently, below that, we also have the option that is turned on by default, which is that it will disable power saver when battery is charged above 90%. So basically, your phone will automatically turn on and off this mode based on the battery percentage. And you can also toggle on this option, but I want to warn you against this to kind of explain what this mode does. So basically, this is how most battery savers on most devices work anyway, with this being enabled by default and not actually being able to turn it off. But it basically disables Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery when you're not using the device, I should add. And it's obviously because of that, applications can't connect to the network, therefore they cannot check for missing and for notifications like messages. And yeah, as long as you don't open up the application, or unlike the device, it just won't give you this notification. And this is disabled here by default, which for purposes of getting your notifications on time, it's actually a pretty good thing. But for preserving battery, it will get you better battery life if you turn that on. So anyway, that's about everything that we have here for power saving mode. Now, the ultra power saver mode. Now, that's the one that you're going to use if you, for some reason, got stranded on an island. When you turn it on, we're going to confirm it. It basically does everything that the normal power saver mode did, plus way more. And it prioritizes battery life. As you can see, it gives us 94, almost 95 hours of battery life in this mode, but we don't have wallpapers. We have very short screen on time. We have only a couple applications visible right here. And yeah, the mode straight up prioritizes battery life, and that's it. So I'm going to close this up by clicking right here and confirming it. And obviously this will exit that mode. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.